Hi guys, I made a taba squishy. Taba squishy. Hindi siya taba, pero taba squishy.
Oo. Inom ka na muna.
Okay po. Tara guys, kasi may kukunin kaming bisita. Inom naman ako tubig. So squishy. Ito naman yan, guys. So this is guys, so waterproof. My skirt is so cute. And also so purple. Dry siya, dry. Kapag linagyan mo siya ng basa, ayan o. Yan. Aalis lang yan. Pinagagandahan niya pa. Kahit basa yan, ang ganda yan, guys. Affordable yan, guys. Oh. Tapos stretchable pa. Kasi ang ganda nito, kasama ito. So, guys. Pagkita tayo. Iniwan na lang namin yung motor kasi para may exercise naman kami. Hi guys! Come on, let's go. We are gonna go through but guys, if you guys are gonna go to the street, always have a grown up with you because may mga motor nga eh. Okay, bye. Titanic scene. Rico!